If you want to install the Gimp manual on your computer so you can use the offline help system anytime, this video will walk you through it step by step. The great thing about doing this is that you won't have to rely on the online version every time you need help inside Gimp. Everything is stored locally, which makes it faster, more convenient, and available even when you are offline. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. First, you need to download the manual installer. On Windows, go to the official Gimp documentation releases page and look for your preferred language. Once you find it, download the Windows Help Installer file, which will usually be an .exe file. Make sure you choose the version that matches your language preference because that will determine which help files get installed on your system. Before you install it, close Gimp completely if it is already running. This helps prevent any installation conflicts and make sure the help files connect properly with your existing Gimp setup. Now, double-click the downloaded help installer file, such as Gimp Help 3.0.0n Setup. When the installer opens, just follow the on-screen wizard prompts. In most cases, the installer will automatically detect your current Gimp installation path, so you usually do not need to manually browse for folders or change advanced settings. Once the installation finishes, the next step is to configure Gimp so it uses the locally installed manual instead of the live web version. Open Gimp, then go to Edit and then Preferences. If you are on Mac, you may see Gimp instead of Edit, but the Preferences area works the same way. In the Preferences window, look at the sidebar on the left and click Help System. This is where Gimp controls how its help documentation is displayed. Now find the setting for User Manual. By default, it may be set to use the online version. Change that option to Use a locally installed copy. This is the key step that tells Gimp to load your offline manual instead of opening a browser page on the internet. If you want, you can also adjust the help browser setting. You can choose the built-in Gimp help browser if you want the manual to open inside Gimp, or you can select your system web browser if you prefer the manual to open in an offline tab in Chrome or Firefox. After making those changes, click OK to save everything. To make sure the update applies correctly, restart Gimp. Once Gimp reopens, press F1 and it should instantly open your local manual. That means the offline documentation is now connected and ready to use whenever you need it. This is a really useful setup if you are learning Gimp, working on a laptop, or just want quick access to help without depending on an internet connection. It also makes troubleshooting and learning tools inside Gimp much easier because the documentation is only one key press away. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.